Hi everyone, I'm Marco Brown from Brown Law. Now usually when I get on these videos, I answer a question that somebody's asked me or 1,000 people have asked me as a divorce attorney. Today I wanted to do something a little bit different and talk about something that's been on my mind. My wife and I just had a baby boy, his name's Teddy, about 8 weeks ago. And that was our first biological child. We started trying to have kids after about 6 months of marriage, but it never took. We never knew why. Doctors never told us. They could never find anything wrong. So we tried everything. In the beginning, we did artificial insemination, we did drugs, we did whatever we could. Spent a lot of money and a lot of time and a lot of heartache doing that. Never worked out. After a while, after years, my wife and I went to law school. I went to the University of Nebraska, and she got her master's out there. We decided that it was time to try the adoption route. We went through that, and we actually got a little boy. His name's Elliot. He's great. I wouldn't trade that experience for the world, but that was very difficult. His mom changed his mind after he was born, and then changed his mind back, and it was a tough incident. But it worked out. And he's great, but that never took away the pain of infertility, which is real and long-lasting. So a little while ago, my wife got on me and we decided to try IVF. That was kind of the last step. So we did it, and it took the first time. Unfortunately, it was an ectopic pregnancy, which is very difficult to go through, probably the worst single experience in my entire life. And I'm sure it was the same for my wife. I never wanted to try again. I was emotionally, spiritually spent. But my wife was resilient and convinced me that we should do it one more time. And we did. And it took, and everything was perfect. And we had Teddy, like I said, about 8 weeks ago. And he's a joy. He's a good little kid. And I'm glad that my wife was resilient and that she convinced me to do it again. Now, I'm not entirely sure why I'm talking about this today, other than I just feel the need to talk about it. And hopefully this will be helpful to somebody out there, somebody going through infertility, or I don't know, but I hope it helps somebody out there. Just realize that things can get better. And even if you don't have kids, even if you're infertile, all your life, you're still whole and you're still good. Thank you very much. Bye.